DMA, the organization, the association has been doing is something which is phenomenal. There are three which come to my mind if I have to sum up. The continuous learning, like a CEP, it is constant. Through the annual conferences of big jamborees, very well attended, and galaxy of speakers. In fact, the information is usually ahead of its time. But isn't that what a conference is supposed to do? The conference is supposed to herald a trend and give a good deep dive so those people are equipped to go and actually do it. And this has been consistent in every DMA conference ever since the last decade when it was started, where people talk about not cutting edge technologies, they talk about futuristic ideas which suddenly becomes very present. And that's, I think, the greatest value of the DMA conferences. It's something which is a must attend. It's once a year or in two different cities, but it's certainly something that you don't want to miss out on. The various other recognition programs, the one with which I've been associated with now running for almost 10 years, is I've been chairing the Hall of Fame selections each year. And thanks to the industry, I was also nominated as the very first Hall of Famer. And I've been very proud to wear that badge in every forum that I represent. And of course, what are the inventive, innovative things that you've gone about doing? Because there's learning and there is giving back to society. And between the two is your own personal journey of discovery of winning awards, stand out things that has been done. So the Hall of Fame is truly as we say, it is of all that one can achieve in our industry. And I think everyone who is qualified in these three areas, lineage in this business, standout work and contributions and technical competency, and giving back to society, that is to our industry as a whole, has a right to earn themselves a Hall of Fame. So hope to see you on stage.